In this video, I'll be sharing Best Top 5 Hair Removal Device. For women are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best hair removal device. For women from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Braun Silk-épil 890 Facial Hair Removal for Women Hair Removal Device, Bikini Trimmer, Women's Shaver Wet, Treatery, Cordless, and 7 extras. Long-lasting results. Violate once and get smooth skin for up to 4 weeks with America's own Isolate Skin for up to 4 weeks with America's own Epilator brand. Includes Bikini Trimmer for precise hair removal on bikini line. Efficient. Remove fork shorter hair than wax. Adapts to every contour for an efficient epilation, even in difficult areas like the knee and underarm. Convenient. As easy as shaving, as long-lasting as wax for salon, like smooth skin at home. Cordless and rechargeable. 100 and waterproof. You can use in the shower or bath. Epilation becomes virtually painless with frequent use in water. Save money. Never make a hair removal appointment again. Switch to Silk-épil from waxing at the salon and save over $700 a year. Multifunctional, shave, trim, and epilate with interchangeable heads, plus facial cap for easy facial epilation. Great gift. Perfect gift for Christmas, Mother's Day, birthday, or anniversary for mom, best friend, and all the women in your life. Number 2. Laser hair removal for women and men. Painless hair remover on face, body, bikini. Our laser hair removal device is upgraded with a large light outlet of 5M2 and adjustable automatic continuous light mode for fast hair removal to achieve safe and effective fast hair removal. The laser hair removal device uses advanced IPL technology to break the hair regeneration cycle, achieve permanent hair removal, and inhibit hair growth. The upgraded 5M2 light outlet makes the whole body hair removal 30 faster than other hair removal devices. 9 adjustable energy levels. Our laser hair removal device has 9 adjustable energy levels. 9 adjustable energy levels to accommodate different skin sensitivities, providing different levels of the most accurate, comprehensive, and effective treatment experience. The higher the energy level, the better the hair removal effect. Please start from low to high. Upgraded version with 3 functions. Upgraded 3 functions. HRARA and SCEEE. The upgraded laser hair removal device not only has the usual hair removal function, but also allows you to achieve a skincare effect while removing hair. This laser hair removal has 2 modes. Manual mode is mainly used for removing underarms, fingers, bikini line, lips, and other small delicate areas. The automatic mode is used for relatively large hair removal areas such as arms, legs, back, and abdomen. Premium quality and service. We always strive to provide our customers with safe and high-quality products. Number 3. Braun Epilator Silk. Épil 9 Flex 9 300 Beauty Set Facial Hair Removal for Women Hair Removal Device Shaver Trimmer Cordless Rechargeable Wet Rechargeable. Long-lasting results. Pelate once and get smooth skin for up to 4 weeks with America's Win Epilator brand, all in one. Deluxe hair removal, beauty set to shave, trim, epilate, and massage with interchangeable heads, plus face spa device for facial epilation and cleansing. World's first. Epilator with fully flexible head for effortless hair removal. Efficient. Remove fork shorter hair than wax. Adapts to every contour for an efficient epilation, even in difficult areas like the knee and underarm. Convenient. As easy as shaving, as long-lasting as wax for salon, like smooth skin at home. Cordless and rechargeable. 100 waterproof. You can use in the shower or bath with anti-slip grip for control even when wet. Epilation becomes virtually painless with frequent use in water. Save money. Never make a hair removal appointment again. Switch to Silk-épil from waxing at the salon and save over $700 a year. Multifunctional. Shave, trim, exfoliate, and epilate with interchangeable head. Gift. Give the gift of an at-home salon, like experience with the perfect Mother's Day gifts for mom, sister, daughter, or wife. Number 4. Yaki AIPL hair removal device with ice cooling function for women and men, permanent upgraded to 999,999 flashes for face armpits. Legs arms bikini line comes with goggles, corded, ice cool feature. With the optional ice cool feature, this Epilator hair removal device can cool the skin while emitting pulsed light. You will feel painless and cool and comfortable when doing hair removal with this laser hair removal. Long device life. This hair removal device has max flashes of 999,999 flashes, which is enough for the lifelong and whole body. You will see clearly how many flashes are left on the liquid crystal display. Effective. The pursed light with 16G forkspin 2 energy and 510 1200 mm length can arrive at the hair follicle to break the cycle of hair growth and remove the undesired hair efficiently. 2 modes. Manual mode is mainly used for small areas, such as the bikini line, armpit, and lips. Auto mode can be used for large areas, such as arms, legs, and back. Notes. Cannot use it on dark brown black skin. Cannot use it on orange-gray hair. Must shave undesired hair before using. Need 2-3 months to see result. Number 5. Yaki laser hair removal device with ice cooling care function, IPL, permanent for women and men hair removal at home. Permanent hair reduction in just 3 months. No need to go to the salon anymore. Remove hair at home easily, privately, and economically. One device for the whole body. Hair removal for face, armpits, legs, arms, bikini line. Innovative ice cooling care with an optional ice cool care features. This IPL hair removal device can cool the skin while emitting pulsed light, making the hair removal process painless and no heat damage to your skin. 2 modes and 9 levels. Manual mode is mainly used for small areas, such as the bikini line, armpit, lips. Auto mode can be used for large areas, such as arms, legs, and back. The 9 energy levels will adapt to different skin areas and different hair growth speeds, which is enough life for the whole body. The laser light with 16J Forcing 2 energy and 510 to 1200 mm length can arrive at the hair follicle to break the cycle of hair growth, removing the undesired hair efficiently, safely, and permanently. Please note the following. Product will not be effective on dark brown black skin color. Do not use on light colored hair, such as light red and gray hair. Area of hair removal must be shaved prior to using product. Product will require 2-3 months before results will be noticeable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews, tips, and recommendations. We'll see you next time. The link is in the description below. Just click on the link in the description below and experience the product.